The crypto revolution, why you can't afford to be left behind. Allow me to paint you a picture. It's the year 2028, and the world has changed dramatically. Technology has advanced beyond our wildest dreams, and digital payment systems are the norm. The days of carrying cash and swiping credit cards are long gone. Instead, people are using cryptocurrency to make purchases, transfer money, and invest in the global economy. But here's the catch. If you don't know about cryptocurrency, you could be left behind. Just like how some people missed out on the early days of Bitcoin and are now kicking themselves for not investing sooner, you could find yourself in a similar situation if you don't educate yourself on this emerging technology. In as little as 5 years from today, the way of the world is quickly becoming digital payment preferred, and if you're not up to speed, you'll be left in the dust. Cryptocurrency is the future of finance, and it's time to start paying attention. Think about it. The global economy is shifting towards a cashless society, and cryptocurrency is at the forefront of this revolution. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any central authority like a bank or government, and it's secure, making it virtually impossible to counterfeit or hack. But beyond its practical uses, cryptocurrency is also a valuable investment opportunity. Just like how early investors in Bitcoin saw their investments grow exponentially, there's no telling where the value of cryptocurrencies will go in the future. It's a new frontier of investment, and those who get in early stand to reap the rewards. So, if you don't know about cryptocurrency, it's time to start educating yourself. Don't be left behind in the digital age. Make sure you're informed and up to date on this emerging technology. Whether you're looking to make purchases, transfer money, or invest in the global economy, cryptocurrency is the way of the future. And if you're not on board, you risk being left behind. Subscribe now. Visit Everything Ether and Crypto Quick News Daily to learn something new about crypto technology every day. The visuals in this video were brought to you by Kaiber.ai, an innovative video creation platform. You can find my referral code in the description below, which gives you access to a free account and complimentary credits to try out the Kaiber platform. By signing up or purchasing a monthly or annual subscription, you'll be supporting me as well, since I earn Kaiber credits for referrals. So, if you want to create awesome videos like this one, click the link in the description and join Kaiber today.